为什么你不会讲中文
I'm sorry, can you translate that? I learned Mandarin first, but I grew up here. I'm American. 我的中文说得
不知道大家还记不记得我在美国的好朋友 Tim Mo。由于他今年从波士顿搬去德州，所以我们在美国再也不是邻居了。但是也因为他搬去了德州，所以他新的大学要等到下学期才开始。刚好这个月也是他生日，于是我买了一张德州台湾的来回机票送给他。Is that Tim Mo? Good. How are you doing? How was the flight? What's up, Tim?
How you doing? I made it to Taiwan.
Yes, you did.
Woo!
And the audience wants to know why you're here.
Because my plane ticket was paid. No, because
You're
I'm here
welcome.
to work.
No, you're welcome.
But I'm here to work. I'm not just sitting on my butt all day. Sugar mama, Chris mama.
Tim wakes up in the morning. It's not like raining.
Yeah. One thing that you miss the most about Taiwan compared to
Rice triangle. The fun toy, yeah.
Yeah, the fun time. But aside from that, is there anything that you're really looking forward to?
Drinking outside in public.
Because you can't do
You
that.
can't do that in the States, you will get arrested.
And hanging out with you.
You're gonna meet all of my friends.
I'm meeting them right now.
Yeah, you are.
So weird.
What is weird?
You cannot drinking outside in the States.
I have a really special trip planned out for you.
Oh, really? We're going on the mountain, right?
Yeah, we are going on the mountain.
Ooh,
It
I'm
is
excited.
the tallest mountain.
I'm gonna kill it. Easy.
Oh yeah.
Yeah?
I've hiked Colorado before. I got this.
Are
I
you
swear.
sure?
Yes. I'm very confident.
I'm not confident.
I'm very
I
confident.
feel like I'm gonna die, and you're like all muscles.
It's not even the muscle. It's not the muscle. It's just Colorado, USA. Let's go,
Yeah.
baby.
Okay. But another thing that we have to do before we get our day started. You have one job. Put the bags.
Wait, where's he going?
in
I
the
followed
trash.
these people. Wow, it's like we're zombies.
Well, miss, I guess I'll be on my way now.
Only us on the whole train. Train party.
快点，快点。
快点，快点，下车。
How's your bag?
Yeah, see ya. Take care.
我们今天到晚上7点半的火车从台北下来，然后现在是晚上11点，天哪！然后我们现在要非常快速的把我们的东西 check in， 然后可能去 Seven 买一些东西，明天一大早就要去嘉义火车站集合。
In case.
We're going to 玉山，明天去玉山。Christina and Christina.
Yeah.
I think we're not gonna sleep.
No, we are.
No, we're gonna sleep.
We're not gonna sleep now.
When she finishes that,
excited.
You just give me a...
Tim 的女儿吗？
我是。
是哈。那个 WTO 姐妹会，你们经常母女上电视。欧阳珊啊 ，Tim 啊。
Dan, what are we now?
9200.
9200. How you doing?
Great. Having a great time.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It's all about the uphill battle.
Oh yeah, literally.
Yeah.
Because the uphills are literally the worst.
Slightly dying.
What's fun if it's not a struggle?
True. Don't you find it funny, like people just want to get to the top of something and be like, yay, and come down?
It's a very human thing.
Yeah. 在此跟大家介绍一下，我们今天爬山的人有谁。恩佳是一个 professional hiker， 他的生活就是在做这些，所以他才有办法带我们这一群不会爬山的人上来。我们还有 Kazushige Sato 大学认识的朋友 Peggy。Actually， 他是 Kazu 的同事。对 ，Peggy 后面的是 Will。Hello， 大家都知道 Will 是谁。凯。之前我高中毕业参加舞团认识的一个好朋友。更后面我们有 Christina，A.K.A. 雷缇娜 ，Tim Mo 特地从美国飞过来爬玉山，刚好。
要带他爬2趟吧。
今天的任务就是要从塔塔加登山口爬到排云山庄，在排云山庄 睡一觉，然后醒来去攻顶，然后我们要去看台湾最高的日出——玉山。耶 ！Lunch break.
I'm about to throw them down the block.
呀，
很好看，欧阳珊珊，
谢谢你，
赞，我喜欢看你的影片。
谢谢。
他有跳出来我就看跳。
Yeah.
So many.
Instead of 2 hours， 还有2个小时。
Yeah, how are we gonna do this? 我们现在海拔越来越高，真的在呼吸上蛮有感觉的。
The thing is, I'm like fine when I'm stationary. When I start moving and the blood starts moving, it goes to my legs and stuff, but it doesn't go. It takes it from my brain, so I feel myself get lightheaded the moment I start moving. Yeah, that's why my eyes are all darty.
Oh my god, I see it. 11,170 feet. Good job. Good job. So this is, I don't know, but it tastes good. (晚上6点20分 and I think we are ready to sleep. Good morning. 3点37分，然后我们现在要去攻顶。I'm so excited.
玉山总共有9个山头，前5峰跟后4峰，后4峰就是要到圆峰山屋之后，还有4个，然后前面有5个山头。
最有名的就是
主峰。
You did it! Congratulations! We did it! So proud of you, Tim.
Thank you. Only almost passed out twice.
All right, so.
Hey, how do we go back? The same way?
Yep.
Are you fucking serious?
So we made it to the top of 玉山主峰3952.
Why you gotta do me like that?
I'm sorry. When we first came, he wasn't this bad.
It's a big step for your friendship.
Oh, yeah.
To see each other. The worst.
Thank you for bringing me out here.
I'm sorry I brought you out here.
Still a beautiful view.
It's worth it.
Even if I did pass out.
It's okay.
I'm ready to go.
Well, miss, I guess I'll be on my way now.
Our journey has come to an end.
I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna say goodbye to you guys.
What's one thing you learned about Yushan?
Don't drop your phone.
I met good friends. I made good friends.
Yeah.
Had a nice team. Good time.
What's one thing you would do differently?
I think I would buy a bigger pair of shoes.
A bigger pair of shoes?
And tag my phone on a line like
this.
Oh my god, one step at a time. You'll make it if you don't give up. Thank you.
Yushan is actually really hard if you don't prepare for it. Also burn sunscreen, because look at my face.
Oh yeah, sunscreen.
学到就是在过危险地形的时候，不要让客人用手机，尤其是录影片的部分。One thing I would do differently. Actually, I think I did pretty well. So.
You did do very well.
What you mean?
Thank you for taking us.
What would be your thing that you would do
What is one
something
thing
new?
I learned from Yushan?
Yes.
That I've always wanted to do it my whole life, and everyone will recognize my 高中。
Oh my god, Jesus, yes.
一定会被认出来。
整个玉山都认识他哦。
No. Tim.
Hi.
So, what is one thing you learned about Jade Mountain?
Jade Mountain is very tall and beautiful.
It is very tall and beautiful.
And
And what is one thing you would do differently?
I would do nothing differently.
Well, there we have it, ladies and gentlemen.
If I had to die all over again,
That was the experience.
I would do it again. I would do it again. I would do it again.
You would die again?
I would die again.
这边祝福大家2023新年快乐！然后我们就下礼拜再见，记得再帮我按赞、订阅跟分享。拜拜。